Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another Follow a Sketch February day 15. Here is our sketch. It is by Stacy Dauberberger. I apologize if I've messed up your name. From Sketch and Scrap Blogspot. It's sketch number 222. So we've got 3 photos. I've got 2, and I'm just going to use them like that. There are doilies. So now that I see that, let's just grab the 3 doilies needed. 1, 2, and 3. My doilies are from the dollar store. I bought a pack of like 500 or something. Probably a decade ago, you guys, and I'm still going strong with them. I buy, these are off-white, but you can spray them and make them any color you want, which is going to come in handy because along with this beautiful sketch here that we've got going on, we are going to be playing along again with Ginger Bush's Dining Around the World, and I'm doing Vietnam. It's a layout about a special person, cinnamon colored cardstock, stars, and extra is 2 inked elements. So I'm actually going to have 3 because I'm going to ink the doilies with some ground espresso distress ink. So we're going to do that. I have got this photo these photos, which is about Wyoming, our state thing. But special person is my husband because this is a special story. He is an over-the-road truck driver, so out of the 50 states, I think he's been to 47. Me, not so much. And when we were out in South Dakota, I had never been to Wyoming, and he said, we're going to drive into Wyoming so that you can set foot in Wyoming and say you've been there and knock it off your state list. So that is just really something fun that he, you know, that is love language, to do small little things like that. I've also got these 4 pieces of, it's a British Monroe 6x6 paper pad, and I'm trying to use up 6x6 paper pads so they match the mood and feel that we got going on there. So that's what I'm going to use to map my 2 photos. This is my cinnamon colored cardstock. It is from Close to My Heart, so it's got different colors. And then we've got this page kit here, which is from the scrap room. So we've got a few stickers left, a lot of chipboard left. We've got this piece right here, which is going to be good for that middle piece. And so I already know we're going to go that route. Probably going to use the darker side though. So we're going to go that route, and then we have the brown colored cardstock. We have to do, looks like 1 block and then some stripes. So I will use definitely this, and I might even cut into that. I'm probably going to cut into that as well. Not might, going to do it, because that's what I've been trying to make myself. Don't save them, cut into them. Like, let's make some layouts, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink these doilies. I'm going to mat those. I'm going to get this stuff cut down, and then we'll come back and assemble the layout together. So we're going to get this stuck down. And this is how I've got it. So we're just gonna add everything on here. And this one goes like that-ish. I say hesitantly. This piece goes here. Ooh, that was pretty too. I could have used that. And this is just going to go there. And then we get this stuck on. And then I'm going to do the dashes. Okay, and then the photos I'm going to put here. So I do have just 2 inked pieces because those 2 ripped, but the third one really kept ripping and it just really frustrated me, so I quit. To be honest with you guys. So one is going to go up here. We are going to do it just like that so that the photo covers that ripped part there. And then this one comes underneath that. Stuck there because I'm this little guy. I'm gonna go like so. So you're just barely gonna see them, which is why I wasn't too concerned. But this guy is gonna be full on right there. But again, that's kind of why I bought those doilies, and I have yet to ever have to replace it. Alright, so this is going to go here. Let's put it here. And then this one's going to sit right next to it, about there. Beautiful. So now we can look for a title, and I say we go with Hello Autumn, and the title goes right there. So what if let me just do that, Hello Autumn or Hello Autumn. Let's think about that. And we can put this little piece right there, and then we can build that cluster. Yep. Liking that. So we'll just add some liquid adhesive on this because these are Cartabella, and, well, you know. If you know, you know. So let's stick that right there, and then we're going to come in with the autumn. So we've got the title on there. And put autumn like that. So we've got the 2 inked elements. So that does it for the Vietnam, since we got the special person because it's about my husband and what he did for me. Cinnamon colored cardstock. I need to add stars. And I've got the 2 inked elements, but I can get some stars on here. Oh, no problem. I'm going to grab gold stars. So let's see what else we have. I like this big floral piece, which let's add up there. Let's put it right there. Give it a little hold. And we can tuck this one over here to go with the inked piece, and then this guy will come under here to go with that inked piece as well. Well, I'm gonna be, yes. Let's do this one over here because we can tuck this guy right here. Okay. And get that guy right there. This is really like 4, but this is the title. Let's do a little I'm falling for you. I kind of want it. Put it right there. I'm falling for you. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. Get that guy stuck there. So we'll add this one on there as well. I like to add things onto the pictures because to me it brings the pictures in my humble opinion. Put that guy right there. That's not gonna make it on there, but that's okay. Put those little leaves on there. Put a few of the small ones. I don't like that. As soon as I put it down, I didn't like it. So we're just gonna add them up here. And then we do have these little acorn guys that we can kind of bring in. Just kind of add to our layout a little bit. Gonna add them around. I need to do the dash lines. I haven't done that yet, but obviously you know that because you've been here with me while I'm doing this. Let's tuck this one. So I'm just tucking the little acorns around all the little elements. Okay. Now let's add our stars. Well, let's add our dash lines. So I'm going to go ahead and add the dash lines and we'll be right back. All right, so I've got those dashed lines around there. Now let's come in and add a few of these stars. Kind of jazz her up a bit. Then we've got stars. So we've done fulfilled the requirements for Hop Around the World. Don't forget to check everybody out that's playing along. There is a playlist down below. Not everybody will be on the same day. It's not really a day thing. It's just whatever works. So I go through, look at the sketch, look at my photos, look at what I'm using, and then make it work, you know. But it does help me to use the things that I don't always remember to grab. Doilies are one of them. Those were on the sketch. But there's a lot of things that I absolutely love. Okay, you guys, seriously, I've almost, if you've been with me for the last few weeks, months, whatever, you know I've been desperately working to use this Heidi Swapp Gold Color Shine Up. I know that some people, this was a very coveted item, but I have so much stuff, right? So we're just going to put it right around the layout to give it a little bit of the splatter. And that's going to do it. So thank you guys so much. I do still have enough to make another layout. These scrap room kits last a long time for me. And I do try to use a lot of stuff, but I don't really want to, you know, junk up the layout. So I am loving the way this looks. It does go with the sketch. It gets everything. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.